Okay. Tell me, tell me one example of a solution which gives positive deviation and why.
Ethanol and acetone, because acetone breaks the hydrogen bonds between the ethanol molecules.
And so,
So it becomes more volatile and therefore vapor pressure increases. So it shows
okay,
positive deviation.
okay, good. Um, फिर से एग्जांपल किसका बोला तुमने पॉजिटिव का?
Ethanol and acetone.
Ethanol and acetone. Okay. Mm, what is an ideal solution?
Ideal solution is one which obeys Raoult's law at all concentrations. The enthalpy of mixing is zero and volume of mixing is also zero, which means that no energy is released or absorbed when we're mixing, and total volume is equal to volume of the individual sum of volume of individual components.
Okay, good. What happens to gases? Solubility of gases in liquids with temperature.
It decreases with increase in temperature.
Why?
Uh, wait, because dissolution of gases into liquids is exothermic.
Very good. What is delta V mixing for an ideal solution?
Zero.
Okay, it's a tough one. How will you change molality of a solution into its molarity value?
Molality.
To molarity. There is a particular formula or a conversion. How do you do that?
Yeah, one second.
Even if you just tell me the result, it's fine.
Yeah, one second. You convert like you use density to get the volume of the solution,
Yeah,
and then you
correct. Do you remember the formula?
number of moles of the solute into density of the
Write it,
solution.
write it, write it and show me.
ND by V. Can you see it?
1 second. दिखाओ फिर से, थोड़ा नीचे करो, मतलब नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. क्या दिख रहा है? ND by V क्या है ये लिखा हुआ है? ये
That's the
फॉर्मूला
formula.
नहीं, ये फॉर्मूला नहीं है. मैंने बोला फॉर्मूला ऑफ चेंजिंग मोलारिटी टू मोलारिटी, मतलब फॉर्मूला रिलेटिंग मोलारिटी एंड मोलालिटी.
Molarity is molality into density.
नहीं है, इतना गंदा, इतना इजी नहीं होता है. जूम चैट देखो, उसको खोलो, उसमें जो लास्ट फॉर्मूला लिखा है वो कॉपी नोटबुक में लिख के मुझे नोटबुक दिखाओ.
The final this thing.
हाँ, और ये पूरा डेरिवेशन बाद में लिख लेना क्लास के बाद.
What is that? Oh, that's MV.
लास्ट में वो लिखा हुआ है फॉर्मूला.
Yeah, yeah.
चलो उस फॉर्मूले को मुझे एक्सप्लेन करो, क्या क्या है उसमें टर्म्स.
So small m is molality, capital M is molarity, D is density, and MB is molarity of the
Molecular mass.
solute.
I think it is molecular mass of the solute.
Oh, sorry, molecular mass of solute.
तो ये है फॉर्मूला, ठीक है, याद रखना है इसको.
Yeah.
Okay, next is what is azeotrope?
Azeotrope is a solution of two liquids which have the same composition in liquid and vapor phase.
फिर से बोलना.
Solution of two liquids which have same composition in vapor and liquid phase.
Okay, give me an example of a minimum boiling azeotrope.
Wait, maximum was nitric oxide. Wait. Ethanol in water?
देखो इसमें तुमको concentration भी लिखना है. 95% ethanol, 5% water. Writing concentration is important because any other concentration is not an azeotrope. Okay. Okay. Next question is, see the Zoom chat. Solve this numerical and tell me what is the answer.
Once I'm doing it. Can I use a calculator or something?
No. It's not that difficult.
I'm getting some weird values.
tell me your calculation from the start. क्या क्या? Tell me how are you doing?
So del T is equal to Kf into molarity of the solute.
Hmm.
So 0.34 is equal to 1.86 into W2, which is 15 grams, into molar mass M2, which you have to find.
One second. क्या बोला? फिर से बोलना. 15 into m.
M2 molar mass.
एक बार 50 m2 न्यूमरेटर में है कि डिनोमिनेटर में?
Numerator I put it. Wait.
Very good, very good.
No, it's in the denominator. Oh yeah, I'm just calculating it. Is it 81 point something? I haven't calculated the decimal part.
Pardon?
Getting 81 point something. I calculated only to one decimal, so it's exact 81.
81.
Yeah,
No, it is not 81.
81.0 or something.
No. 1 point. फिर से बोलना तुम्हारा. तुमने एक बार न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज डालना, मतलब एक्सप्रेशन बोलना तुम्हारा न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज.
0.34 equal to
हाँ.
1.86 into 15 by M2.
भाई M2 बस इतना, इतने से हो गया क्या? Is this enough? डेल्टा TF is equal to KF M में M क्या होता है?
Molarity of the solute.
मोलारिटी होता है. यही तो गलती है ना. यही तुमने पढ़ाई की है. डेल्टा TF KF M में M को स्मॉल m लिखा हुआ है वापस. स्पेसिफिकली यू नो कि स्मॉल m है, फिर भी यू आर सेइंग इट इज मोलारिटी. इट इज मोलालिटी.
Okay, then which one is molarity then? The colligative property.
ICRT में मतलब.
Huh?
ICRT में मोलारिटी. ICRT में मोलारिटी है. C इज मोलारिटी.
Oh yeah, okay.
मोलालिटी है. अभी फिर से करो उसको.
Yeah. 182. Yeah.
करेक्ट. Next is, what is Van Hoff factor?
That is deleted. That isn't there.
Actually, okay. Colligative
That
property is
and
also not there.
no, colligative is there. Abnormal mass, molar mass is not there. That and Van Hoff factor is not there.
Osmotic pressure.
That is there.
Okay. So what is osmotic pressure?
Osmotic pressure is the external pressure applied to just stop osmosis, like the exact pressure required to stop osmosis.
ये भी बोल दो आगे, through the SPM.
Through SPM.
Okay. Boiling point. Okay. Just explain to me, why is boiling point elevated?
When we add a solute to a solvent, the vapor pressure decreases.
Correct.
So to get the solution to boil, we need a higher boiling point to make it reach the atmospheric pressure as the vapor pressure is decreased. If we just take water, then it will boil at 100. But if we add a solute, then the vapor pressure will decrease at 100 degrees Celsius. So you need to increase boiling point to make it reach atmospheric pressure.
Okay. Okay, good. तुम्हारा न्यूमेरिकल, एक न्यूमेरिकल और करो और फिर जाओ, ठीक है? न्यूमेरिकल में तुमने नहीं किया है तो न्यूमेरिकल की प्रैक्टिस की है तुमने इसमें?
For the last part, I didn't do.
लास्ट मतलब?
The colligative property, you know.
कब करोगे उसको?
I mean, I'll do that.
ये वाला करो.
Just got a box of
classroom.
So,
Yes.
mole fraction of component A is 2/5 and mole fraction of component B is 3/5.
Good. 1 second. 2/5 and
3/5.
3/5. हाँ, ये किस में है? लिक्विड में, राइट?
Yeah.
हाँ, लिक्विड में, करेक्ट. ठीक है. Yes, correct. ठीक है, जाओ.
Thank
Good.
you, sir.
Right.